3, 2, 1, go. Goods. Go. Goods. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Goods. 3, 2, 1, go.
What's up, Bladers? We're back with another Beyblade X Dragon King challenge. This challenge took place during a casual tournament at Rumble Royale. Today, the Dragon King finds himself truly tested like never before. His opponent is formidable even as a rookie. Ever since stepping up for this challenge, he's been dominating tournaments. Let's see what happened during this challenge. Introducing the rising star, the rookie sensation, Icon. Will Icon defeat the Dragon King, or will the Dragon King make a comeback? Stick around to find out. These are the combos that I used for this challenge. Grand Buster with a 560 ratchet and the point bit. Cobalt Dragoon with a 160 ratchet and the rush bit. Lightning El Drago upper with a 360 ratchet and the taper bit. Here are the rules and regulations of the Dragon King challenge.
No! Pakita mo lang kasi naano ko sa video. Tapos daan-daan mo na lang.
Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
Uy, tumayo na. Uy, talo pa nga.
Hey, 1 point. Second base. Ito lang. 1-0 ah. Leaders ready.
No! Wait.
No! Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
Uy! Uy!
3-1. Oy, wala na score. Lumabas eh. 3-1. Third bay tayo. Third bay. Okay na? Bladers ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Good. Go. Shoot. Good.
3 all.
Good. Good.
3 all.
3 all. Shuffle.
Okay na.
Okay. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Good. Go. Shoot. Good. Wala na.
Meron pa yan. Ay, sayang.
Okay. First set goes to...
Pickle na.
Nako, sinimal ka. Dari ka, boy. Okay na. Okay. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Naku, naka-recover.
Yo! Putok, nabuhay po. Putokin mo.
Okay, 1 point. Second base. Okay. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Go shoot! Okay, 1-1. 1-1 tayo. Third base. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Good, go shoot! Good.
Uy! Uy! Hey, Corey.
Pagdating mo na. Okay, 2-1. Jump. Okay, first base. Okay, 2-1. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Go shoot. Okay, second base. 3-2, lamang DK. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Go shoot. It's yun.
Tapusin natin ang third set.
Yating kita lang.
Mababay. Dito pa rin ako. First day ulit.
Okay na. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Go shoot.
Record mo isa lang.
Ano ba?
1-0.
Second base. Dragon. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
And that's game. The final standing is Dragon King 0, Icon 3. Icon defeats the Dragon King in the first 2 rounds. The Dragon King went for a third, thinking he'd get one, but nah. Icon sweeps with 3 wins, and he is your new Dragon King Challenge Champion. Congrats! So, you want to challenge me for an exhibition match? Do you want to win the championship belt? Just comment down below so we can set something up. That's it for today's challenge. Thanks again to Icon, and I'll see you guys in the next video.